Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am a Kaggle Master and Junior Data Scientist. Guys, in this video we are discussing about resume preparation. How you prepare your resume as a fresher or intern. Like when you apply for the internship or job, the first procedure is a resume selection or resume shortlisted procedure. Okay, so if you have not write your resume in a good format or a organized way, then your resume is not shortlisted for the next step, guys. So resume preparation is a very important. So in this video, mainly I first of all I just show you my resume, like how I prepare my resume when I apply for a machine learning intern role or a junior data scientist role, or which types of project you have to mention in your resume, what about your resume organization and the skill set. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I just show you my resume, guys. I just show you first of all my resume, like how I write my resume when I apply for the any internship. So guys, this is my resume look like. Okay, hope you see. In the upper part, I just write my name, Sivan Kumar, and in the right hand side, I mention my mobile number, email ID, LinkedIn ID, and GitHub link. When you apply for any data science field like a machine learning role or a junior data scientist role or any data science field role, okay, so make sure you have to add your GitHub profile or your LinkedIn profile. Both are very important, so make sure you have to add both. Okay, next part is your description. For my description, I just write I am a Kaggle master and machine learning engineer. I just replace this machine learning engineer to junior data scientist. And for the Kaggle master, so 2x Kaggle master. Okay, I'm a 2x Kaggle master. So I just write I'm a 2x Kaggle master and junior data scientist. I have a 8 months of experience in a data science, looking for an opportunity that challenge my skills and help me to boost and upgrade my knowledge in the data science domain. I have completed multiple projects in data science and NLP. I like to read various blogs and articles to keep myself updated on this technology. I also love to participate in hackathons. In my free time, I like to mentor students to learn a data science and achieve their goals. So this is my description, guys. In your resume, you have to write your description. Like if you have a Kaggle master or Kaggle expert, then just replace this. If you have not any knowledge of the Kaggle, just replace this and just write I'm a data science enthusiast. Okay, just replace this and just write I'm a data science enthusiast. Okay, or data science fresher. If you have a fresher, just replace this. Okay, I'm a fresher in a data science looking for an opportunity, and you have to write your own description. Okay, let's come to the next part. Okay, this is my internship project, guys. So we will discuss later. First, I discuss the training part. Okay, so I have completed my internship in IIM Bangalore. Okay, so I just write machine learning training and I just add some of the machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision project. When you apply for any data science intern or any machine learning intern or junior data scientist role, make sure you have to add 5 and 6 projects. Which types of project you have to add? I just open my notebook first of all. For the machine learning intern or junior data scientist role, we have to add 3 machine learning projects, 2 deep learning project, and 1 NLP projects. Like if you have good knowledge or interest in NLP, okay, then you have to add 2 projects in NLP, 2 projects in deep learning, and 1 project or 2 projects in machine learning. Okay, if you are interested in the deep learning field, just add 1 more project, like 3 in deep learning, 2 in NLP, and 1 in one in machine learning. But make sure you have to add minimum 5 projects in your resume. Okay, 3 deep learning, machine learning, 2 deep learning, and 1 NLP. As a fresher, you have to add these types of project. Okay, let's discuss how you write your project and how you mention your resume. For the my project and in my resume, I just write for the description. I just write a description, but it's totally up to you. You just write first of all your project name like insurance domain. Okay, I just write insurance domain. I just bold this first of all. Okay, and then you have to write your project description like this. Okay, I just write build a fraud detection model for a client for insurance payment which requires lots of subject matter expertise. This project required a lot of financial analysis and understanding of fraud behavior. I applied feature engineering to build a new informative features and applied descriptive and inferential statistics to better understand the problem statement. Okay, so in your project you have to write your project description. Okay, next I add one machine learning, second machine learning project, third machine learning projects, okay, using a neural network, okay, and 4 is the I add deep learning projects, and 5th is the computer vision projects. In the deep learning projects, I use X-ray detection. I mainly work on the X-ray detection using CNN and VGG 16 guide. So I add deep learning projects, and for the computer vision, I build a decision review, third empire decision review system. Okay. So I just add a one computer vision projects. Okay. So you make sure you have to add 3 machine learning, 2 or 3 deep learning, and 1 NLP. If you have an interest in deep learning, then you have to add 3 deep learning, 2 machine learning, and 1 deep learning. Okay, let's discuss for the internship part. If you have a complete your 1 or 2 internship and you have to apply for a junior data scientist role or data scientist role, then make sure you have to add your internship project. Okay, in my internship time, I have done 2 end-to-end projects, so I add my 2 internship. One is the NLP project using a name entity recognition NER, and second is my machine learning project. So I add machine learning projects. Okay, for the deep learning projects, I just write some description like a build a model for a client from a retailer domain which requires lots of subject matter expertise. This project requires lots of financial and understanding the data. I applied name entity recognition to build a new informative features and predict the company should be more benefit to our organization. Okay, so this is my NLP project for the internship guys. Okay, so make sure you have to add your internship project as well when you apply for a junior data scientist role or a data scientist role. Or if you have a fresher and you have to apply for a internship, then you have to add 5 or 6 machine learning, deep learning, and NLP projects. Okay, next come into the discuss to the skill set guys. This is my I'm also working part-time as a data science mentor guys. So if you have work, then just mention it. If you have not work, then just skip this part. Okay, next come into the skill set part. For the skill set guys, I added my skill set like a machine learning, Python, data analysis, data visualization, deep learning. In deep learning, ANN, CNN, RNN, LSTM, NLP, PyTorch basics, SQL, Tableau, Power BI, statistical analysis. So this is my skill set. I just added this. And in the skill set, make sure you have to add like you are good in machine learning. Then just first of all add a machine learning. Then if you are good in deep learning, then just add a deep learning this to this. Okay, just add this. Okay, next like your algorithm or your field understanding. Like if you are good in machine learning, first add machine learning, then a deep learning, then a data analysis, data visualization, NLP, like this. Okay, then you have to add your education. I have completed my secondary school in Bihar, so I just add my secondary school, then the graduation. I have completed my graduation in Punjab Technical University. Okay, and also you have to add if you have participated some of the hackathons or like a live hackathons like Analytics Vidya or Machine Hack or a Kaggle, then also you have to add this. Okay, in upper part I also add, see, I participated in 2 live Kaggle competition and I secured 30th position. Okay, so make sure you have to add your achievement. Okay, then also I managed to score very good CGPA through in all the semester. My CGPA would be a 7, around 7.8. Okay, so you have to add your CGPA, your achievement as well. Okay, so this is my resume format, guys. Next, I just show you both of the pages in one page. Okay, so it's not look like this. Okay, so see how my resume format, guys. See, with the 2 page, this is a totally simple, guys. Totally simple and all the organized way. All the organized way in my resume. See, first I just write some description, add my machine learning internship, machine learning training, then skill set and the education part. Okay, so you have to write your resume in a simple way or a organized way, guys. Okay, so guys, that's all about in this video. Make sure you have the idea about like how you prepare your resume as a fresher or as an intern, and when you apply for a junior data scientist role. And please, guys, when you apply, then please organize your resume and make sure your resume is a visual. Like I just open this my resume in a Word format. Okay, so see my resume how look like in a Word format. Very simple. Sorry, very simple, right? So make sure you have to mention all those things, skills, some projects or your internship. Okay, so that's all about in this video, guys. If you have any query, just write in the comment section, and if you want my resume, then you have to just write in the comment section. I will send it. Okay, so that's all about in this video, guys. If you like it, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.